The holiday season is almost here, and Novak Heating, Air and Duct Cleaning wants to make sure your Cedar Rapids home is truly ready for guests and cozy gatherings. While you're busy decorating, planning meals, and preparing for visitors, don't forget one overlooked but important step: changing your HVAC air filter. Swapping out your filter before the holidays can make a bigger difference than you might think. A clean filter helps your system run efficiently, keeps the air fresh, and traps dust and allergens, creating a healthier environment for everyone in your home. With more cooking, cleaning, and people indoors, your system works harder. So a quick filter change helps maintain steady warmth, even airflow, and lower energy bills. Novak recommends checking or replacing your air filter every 1 to 3 months, especially if you have pets or allergies. Don't wait for stuffy air or unexpected breakdowns to disrupt your celebrations. Call Novak Heating, Air and Duct Cleaning today at 319-364-4626 to schedule your seasonal service and enjoy a comfortable, worry-free holiday season.